Korean skincare routine for beginners. Achieve glowing skin with must-have products. Hello Dreamies! Welcome back to my channel, the go-to place for all things related to beauty and skincare. Today, we're diving into the world of Korean skincare, renowned for its effective and innovative products that promise that coveted glass skin. If you're ready to step up your skincare game, you're in the right place. So, let's begin. The foundation of any great skincare routine is a good cleanser. In the Korean skincare routine, double cleansing is key to ensure all impurities are removed. For the first step, I recommend the Madagascar Centella Light Cleansing Oil. As the name suggests, this cleanser is packed with a star ingredient, centella. Now, centella is a skincare superhero known for its ability to calm inflammation and soothe irritations. If you've got sensitive or irritated skin, this one's for you. But what sets this cleansing oil apart is not just the centella magic, it's a blend of 6 nourishing and high-quality oils. Together, they work like a dream team to deeply cleanse your pores and bid farewell to excess oil and stubborn makeup. Plus, it's got this light, water-like texture, suitable for those who are new to oil cleanser. If you are sensitive to essential oils or prefer to avoid them, you can use Haru Haru Wonder Black Rice Moisture Deep Cleansing Oil. It's loaded with antioxidants from their famous fermented black rice, giving your skin some serious nourishment. And guess what? Black rice is like a magician. It brightens up your complexion and puts up a shield to protect your skin. The best part? This cleanser keeps it simple with no fragrance or essential oils, meaning it's super gentle on your skin. It's like a makeup vanishing act, takes off most makeup like a breeze, but for the stubborn waterproof stuff, you might need to put in a bit of pressure. So, it's like a 1-2 punch for clean, happy skin. After that, follow up with the Cosrx Low pH Good Morning Gel Cleanser. Works wonders because it's got a low pH, around 5.0 to 6.0, which is really similar to healthy skin. That means it helps keep your skin moist and balanced. Plus, it's got this natural BHA ingredient that's great for exfoliating dead skin cells and giving your pores a deep clean. And the star ingredient? Tea tree oil. It helps prevent blemishes and acne. So, it's a lightweight gel cleanser that leaves your skin feeling super moist and silky smooth. Or you can use Beplain Green Full pH Balanced Cleansing Foam is like a magic potion for your skin. It's got this special ingredient, mung bean extract, which not only gets rid of all the dirt and grime, but also keeps your skin feeling super hydrated and happy. Plus, it's gentle enough for everyday use and keeps your skin's natural moisture in check. And get this, it's got this creamy, dreamy texture that you only need a tiny bit of to work up a rich foam. Oh, and let's not forget about the Amur Cork Tree Bark Extract. It's like a superhero for your skin, fighting off inflammation, antioxidants, and bacteria like a champ. Perfect for folks with dry or sensitive skin, it keeps oil in check without leaving your skin feeling dry or tight. Say goodbye to pesky breakouts and hello to happy, healthy skin. Moving on to the second step, toning. The right toner can balance your skin's pH levels and prep it for the next products in your routine. My go-to is the Tinimali's Clarifying Wonder Rice Smoothing Toner, is like a refreshing drink for your skin. Packed with fermented rice filtrate and fruit extracts, it's like a daily spa treatment that leaves your skin feeling soft, hydrated, and super clear. It's not some thick, heavy stuff, it's light and watery, perfect for any skin type. It leaves your skin feeling all bouncy and soft, like mochi. And the best part? It's not one of those overpowering toners that make you feel like you're drowning in perfume. Oh, and pro tip, for even better results, slap on 2 layers of this stuff. It'll help tone down any redness and make your skin's defense game even stronger. Bam! Brighter, clearer, happier skin just like that. You can go for Nala Hour Vegan Watery Face Toner if you don't like milky texture toner. This toner is like a breath of fresh air for your skin, especially if it's acne-prone, oily, or sensitive. This toner has this light, watery texture that feels like a splash of hydration, without any of that greasy or sticky stuff. It's packed with good stuff like Centella Asiatica leaf water instead of regular water, which really helps calm down any pesky acne. It's got niacinamide to keep excess oil and big pores in check, while also brightening up dull skin. And here's the kicker, It leaves your skin feeling cool, hydrated, and ready to soak in whatever other skincare goodies you're using. So say goodbye to dryness, tightness, and itchiness, and hello to plump, supple skin. Now, let's talk about serums, the powerhouse of any skincare routine. They are like potions for your skin, delivering concentrated ingredients to target specific concerns. I highly recommend Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin C Serum. It's like this magic potion for your face. So, what it does is it has this stuff called Centella Asiatica extract and 5% L-ascorbic acid that helps fade those pesky dark spots and pigmentation. Oh, and it's not just that, it also keeps acne at bay and evens out your skin tone, making it look all balanced and nice. The cool thing is, it soaks right into your skin without leaving any greasy residue, so you can slap it on in the morning and at night without feeling all sticky. It is perfectly suitable for beginners. You can totally start with this serum. It's that gentle. But hey, here's the deal. Since it makes your skin a bit more sensitive to the sun, always make sure to follow it up with some sunscreen. If you have a sensitive skin, then you can use Beauty of Joseon Glow Deep Serum. It's basically made for folks who are worried about dark spots and uneven skin. What's cool about it is that it's got a bunch of rice bran water in it, like 68% and 2% alpha-arbutin. These things help your skin get brighter and healthier by evening out your skin tone. It's not heavy at all on your skin and gives it a good drink of moisture. Works for any skin type, but especially great for oily skin. After you put it on, your skin looks all fresh and hydrated. If you keep using it regularly, you'll start seeing some real results. So, if you're after that glass skin look, this serum is the way to go. After treating your skin with a serum, it's time to lock in all that goodness with a moisturizer. They keep your skin hydrated throughout the day. Look no further than Real Barrier Intense Moisture Cream. This cream is packed with ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and ectoin. It's really gentle, especially for folks with sensitive skin. It feels light like a gel, but moisturizes like a cream. It helps smooth out those little lines and wrinkles and keeps your skin hydrated for a long time. It helps calm down any redness caused by dry skin and keeps your skin's natural moisture barrier in check. Oh, and it's awesome under makeup because it blends well and doesn't make your skin all greasy. Pro tip: warm it up a bit on the back of your hand before applying to make it go on super smooth and soak in evenly. My second recommendation is COSRX Balancium Comfort Ceramide Cream. It's made with ceramide, which is great for everyone, no matter your skin type. Basically, it calms down any irritated skin and helps keep your skin barrier in good shape. Inside, you've got Centella Asiatica leaf water and Centella Asiatica medical grade extract to fix up any damage and protect your skin from things like pollution and losing moisture. Even though it's hydrating, it's not heavy or greasy. It's like this light but still super moisturizing cream that works for both oily and dry skin. Plus, it won't clog your pores, which makes it perfect for using in the summer. Don't forget the most crucial step in your skincare routine: sunscreen. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is non-negotiable. Never skip sunscreen, even on cloudy days. Beauty of Joseon SPF 50 Relief Sun Cream is my go-to. It is like a light moisturizer that's not sticky or greasy, even if you use it a bunch of times. Once it soaks in, it gives your skin a natural glow without leaving behind a white cast. Even if you put on a lot before putting on makeup, it won't make your makeup clump or look cakey. It's got good stuff like rice extract, fermented grain extracts, niacinamide, and glycerin that keep your skin hydrated and nourished while also making it look brighter. Plus, it blocks both UVA and UVB rays, and the best part is it won't sting your eyes. It's good for dry and oily skin types alike. Numbusin Clear Filter Sun Essence SPF 50 has heartleaf, cyca, and licorice root extracts. It's great because it helps soothe any irritation on your skin and keeps it hydrated. Plus, it's not thick and gloopy like some sunscreens. It's really thin and gets soaked up fast, leaving your skin feeling nice and fresh without clogging your pores. It's not just for certain skin types, it works for everyone, even if you've got sensitive skin that's prone to acne. It's invisible, so it won't make your skin look weird, even if you've got some facial hair going on. When you apply it on, it feels all cool and refreshing, which is awesome if you're in a hot, sweaty place. And the finish? It's not super shiny or anything, just gives your skin a nice, healthy glow that lasts all day. And last but certainly not least, we can't neglect those lips. Our lips deserve some TLC too, especially when they are dry and chapped. I swear by Laneige Lip Glowy Balm because it's got this killer combo of Miramuru and shea butters that swoop in and save your lips from dryness. They hydrate like crazy and keep moisture locked in, so no more chapped lips ruining your day. It is like a light moisturizer that's not sticky or greasy, even if you use it a bunch of times. Once it soaks in, it gives your skin a natural glow without leaving behind a white cast. Even if you put on a lot before putting on makeup, it won't make your makeup clump or look cakey. People are obsessed with it because it doesn't just moisturize, it also heals and protects your lips while you sleep. And oh, did I mention it smells like heaven and has this fruity flavor that's just delightful? It's not heavy at all, and it leaves your lips with this beautiful glossy shine. So yeah, if you want happy, hydrated lips that look and feel amazing, this is your go-to. If you are not into tinted lips, then you can Innisfree Hyaluronic Acid Dewy Treatment Lip Balm a try. It's got hyaluronic acid, which is great for keeping your lips moist, along with ceramide, camellia oil, and shea butter to really give your lips a boost of moisture. Basically, it's perfect if you've got dry, cracked lips that just won't quit. It's awesome to put on before you apply any lip tints or lipsticks because it makes everything go on super smooth. And there you have it, a complete Korean skincare routine featuring some fantastic products that I swear by. I've left links to all the products in the description box below, so be sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a skincare tip from us. Until next time, stay beautiful.